Don and I at the beginning here, we were talking about, do we think what are the tax laws? When are they going to change? We were assuming that, there's going to be some changes, but when are they going to take place? And I look back at the first year of the Trump presidency 4 years ago, and the tax deal, reducing taxes was a big part of the Trump platform that year. And even though the Senate and the House were both in the Republican control, it took until December of that year before the tax bill was passed, and it was not retroactive. So everything in 2017 became effective January 1st of 18. And that's what I think we're going to see this year, is that if there is a real big tax bill, similar to a real big overhaul of, what Trump did back 4 years ago, if Biden, first of all, wants to do that, and second of all, is able to do it, I don't think that that's going to take place until sometime later this year, with an effective date of January 1st of 22. Now, that doesn't mean that I think that there will be changes this year that will be effective this year. But most of the time we don't see tax law changes that are negative, in other words, that affect us in a negative way, go retroactive. Now, again, there's no such thing as a certainty here with taxes. Yes, you will pay taxes. I guess that's a certainty. But what that'll be, hard to say. But we have to consider different possibilities as far as where we're going to be on the income stream and where we project the taxes to be as well. All right, let's look at some of the other personal tax planning for 21. The charitable contributions for public charities, so this is not private foundations, was raised last year from 60% to 100% of your adjusted gross income, meaning that you could effectively zero out your tax bill. You could have, instead of taking 60% of your adjusted gross income as the maximum, it's now 100%. So with planning, you could pay no taxes in 2020. And, if that's the way you were going in 2020, congratulations, you can do it again in 21. So the recent December bill extended this for 1 year, gives us another opportunity to greatly reduce our taxes through charitable giving.